Welcome to Legato. I am Durga Prakash, part of the Legato's senior leadership team and the director of digital practice. I take care of growth, vision and execution of digital and artificial intelligence towers. I am here to introduce you to Legato and take you through why this is the right time to be part of Legato's digital team. At Legato, we check all the boxes to fulfill your career aspirations. We are one of the fastest growing GIC in the country and we are proud of our great work culture. We have the passion and energy of a startup and we follow strong values and virtue of Anthem. We offer great projects and platform to work on. Legato is a 14,000 plus strong, multicultural, diverse team with a deep expertise in health insurance, combined with the rich heritage of Anthem, which is one of the largest health insurance provider in the US. US healthcare industry is currently valued at $8 trillion. It provides an unique opportunity to define the projects which will transform the future of healthcare. So Legato Digital Team is a key player in building industry-defining projects like Health Utility Network, which is a blockchain-based industry-wide network, and one of the first AI-based operating system known as Health Operating System. These are defining projects not just only for Anthem, but the entire healthcare industry globally. Along with working on cutting-edge technology platforms, you also have an opportunity to work on some very innovative platforms like WorkOS, where you have an opportunity to experiment and experience the power of a developer by using some of these low-code environments where we allow you to fail freely and learn faster, better than some of your peers working in different organizations. Fast Forward program of Anthem provides an opportunity to understand the blue plans globally and also contribute and transform some of these initiatives like future of care and future of insurance. I hope you have gained insight into future of your work at Legato. We are excited to have you on board. Once again, welcome to Legato.